Find a comfortable, quiet place where you can relax. Take a moment to settle in, adjusting your posture until it feels just right. Close your eyes gently and start taking a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and then let it out slowly. As you exhale, let go of anything weighing on you, thoughts, concerns, or tension. This time is just for you. Now I'm going to count down from 10, and with each number, you'll feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, releasing a little more with each breath. 10, feeling the weight of your body as you settle in. 9, let go of any lingering thoughts or worries, just let them drift away. 8, your shoulders are softening, your jaw is relaxing, and any tension is beginning to melt. 7, feel your arms and legs growing heavier, fully supported and at rest. 6, your breathing is slowing, becoming steady and calm. 5, your mind is clear, and a deepening sense of quiet is creeping in, filling you with calmness. 4, feeling more and more relaxed, your body is feeling completely at ease. 3, notice how calm and comfortable you feel, sinking deeper with each number. 2, almost there, your whole body is now deeply relaxed, grounded and still. 1, you are now in a deep state of relaxation and you're ready to journey inward. As you breathe, imagine that each breath brings you a little closer to a deep sense of calm. Feel how your body responds, softening and releasing. This time is about peace, a chance to reconnect with yourself. With each breath, set the intention and allow yourself to open up to tranquility and ease. Now, in your mind's eye, I'd like you to picture a place where you feel completely safe, a place that brings you joy and peace. Take a moment to let this place come to you. Perhaps it's a memory, a beach where you felt the sand beneath your feet and heard the gentle lapping of waves. Or maybe it's a cozy room where soft light filters in and you feel surrounded by warmth and comfort. If a specific place doesn't come to mind right away, that's okay. Just let your imagination guide you. Notice the ground beneath you in this place. Whether it's warm sand, soft grass, or the solid floor of a cozy cabin. Take a few steps, feeling grounded, connected, safe. Let yourself be fully immersed in this sanctuary. Notice the colors that surround you. Do you see a warm golden light, or perhaps the vibrant green of trees that make you feel alive? What can you feel? The gentle breeze brushing your skin, or the solid weight of maybe your favorite cozy blanket wrapped around you? Take a moment to explore this place in detail. It's yours, a space meant only for you. As you settle deeper into this place, allow your senses to connect with everything around you. Take a deep breath in and imagine you're breathing in the scent of your surroundings. Is it the fresh scent of pine trees after rain, the salty bracing air by the ocean, or perhaps it's the sweet floral fragrance, gentle and comforting? Let your hearing sharpen. What sound fills the air? Maybe you hear birds singing a soothing melody, or the calming rhythm of waves. Let each sound bring you deeper into this peaceful moment. Feel the warmth or coolness of this place around you, the texture of whatever you're sitting or standing on. Let yourself fully experience it, taking comfort in this unique personal sanctuary. Let it be a reflection of your own inner peace, a reminder of how deeply you can feel at home within yourself. Now turn your focus inward. Imagine that with each breath you are drawing in a soft, radiant light, a peaceful energy that fills your entire being. What color is it? Let whatever color feels right for you fill this light. This light is pulsing within you, a small warm glow in your chest, and feel it expand with every breath you take. It's growing brighter and brighter again, spreading warmth throughout your body, soothing every muscle, calming every thought. As this peaceful energy fills you, imagine it reaching out to every part of you, radiating outward from your heart. This light is your connection to peace, your source of inner strength and calm. Feel it reach your fingertips, your toes, and the crown of your head. Imagine this peaceful light weaving through your entire being, filling you with a calm, steady energy. Let it reassure you that this peace is a part of you, always here whenever you need it. Take a moment to rest in this light. Now with your next exhale, imagine this peaceful light reaching out to those around you. It stretches further, connecting with friends, family, and even strangers. Remember, each of us carries the same light within, and in this moment, we're all connected through it. The light flows between you and others, spreading out to people and places that need it most. Imagine a world bathed in this light, where everyone feels safe, loved, and at ease. Picture how this shared calm brings us closer, reminding us that we're never truly alone. You are part of this, sharing your unique peace and light with the world. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this connection, for the love and peace you are capable of giving just by being you. When you're ready, start by bringing your awareness back to the present. Feel yourself in your body again, connected to the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, becoming more aware of the here and now. Take a few deep breaths, holding that deep sense of peace and inner calm. Remember, this feeling is yours to keep. You can return to this place, this inner sanctuary, whenever you need to. It's here within you, a safe space to reconnect with at any moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate how good you feel. You've created this peace within, and it's always available to you. Thank you for joining me, and as always, have a wonderful day.